Yo, it's your boy SPACETATUM Space Tatum, and we're back with another video. Hey, today's video we're going over bubble sort. Hey, bubble sort, it is quick and easy to learn, but it's also fun to learn. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, so we have our numbers right here. In the array, we have 2, 8, 5, 3, 9, 4, 1. So the whole point of the bubble sort is to get all the high numbers to bubble down to the end and all the small numbers to end up at the front. So how we do that is we're going to compare two numbers inside of this array. And so let's say, for example, 2 and 8. 2 is less than 8, so 2 is in the right spot. And then we're going to go 8 and 5. 8 is bigger than 5, so we'll have to go ahead and erase the 5 and erase the 8, and the 8 takes the 5 spot. Like that, right here. And then we'll go to the 8 and 3. The 8 is also bigger than the 3, so the 8 will take the 3 spot. And the 3 will replace it. So is 8 bigger than 9? No. So then it stays the same, and now we take over. We're taking the 9 spot. So is 9 bigger than 4? Yes, it is. So we erase the 9 and erase the 4. And then put the 4 and then put the 9. Is 9 bigger than 1? Yes, it is. So we're going to go ahead and erase the 9 and erase the 1 and put the 9 in here and put the 1 right here. And we'll do the same thing until we have all our high values on the right, which is, so they're bubbling all the way down to the highest side. And we're going to keep doing that until we have a sorted algorithm. And that is the end of the first iteration. So it's time to go to the second iteration. So I'm going to have y'all sped up a little bit because it is a little bit simpler, so y'all can just see me do it. So here's the end of the second iteration. That's not the third. Now it's time for the third iteration. Now it's time for the fifth iteration. Now it's time for the sixth iteration. So we have solved our bubble sort, and here is our sorted algorithm, which we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Wait. Oh, before you go, let me show you the pseudocode for the bubble sort. As you can see, this is a nested for loop, and in this case, as you can see, the worst case is big O of n squared. I really want to thank you for coming out and watching the video, especially if you're here to the end, and thank you for tuning in with a video with SPACETATUM.